everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make yummy green paste pasta twist. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Joanne. If you have not subscribed, now would be the time to do so. So click that subscribe button and let's get into the cooking process. For this meal, I'll be using some tomato paste, purple cabbage, diced tomato, beef, onion, pepper, parsley, spring onion, some diced carrots, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, seasoning cubes, some garlic and ginger. Afterwards, I'll proceed to blending my onion, pepper, parsley and spring onion. Now I'll be adding my pasta twist into my boiling water with half tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then I'll let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat, then set aside. Now I will be adding some vegetable oil into my pot, onion, garlic and ginger paste. Then I'll saute on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll add my beef and stir on low heat till it loses its pinkness. Now I'll add my tomato paste and green paste, which consists of green scotch bonnet peppers, onion, spring onion and some fresh parsley. Guys, this pepper mix takes the flavor of your pasta to another level. Afterwards, I add my fresh diced tomato and seasoning, then stir till well combined. Now I add my veggies and stir on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I bring in the star of this meal, the pasta twist, and stir on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Pasta is ready! Thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye!